What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. We almost had 1,000. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's get right into these kicks, man. These joints released recently, and it's probably one of my favorite pairs out of the pack this year. Y'all seen the title. Y'all seen the thumbnail, man. Y'all know why we're here, man. We got a Doernbecher Freestyle Nike collab, man. Now, like I said earlier, man, the top of the box says Doernbecher Freestyle with the Nike sign. See if I can get that joint to focus. There we go. Doernbecher Freestyle with the Nike sign. Doernbecher on the side of the box here. Doernbecher on the side of the box here. That tag reads Air Foamposite 1 DB18 Hyper Royal in yellow stripe. This is a size 5.5, man. I took an L in my size, but I just want to grab these joints for you guys to review. This shoe was made by Coley Miller, age 11. Diagnosis is a kidney transplant. Shoe Nike Air Foamposite 1. As a proud member of the Klamath tribe, Coley Miller found plenty of design inspiration within her culture. Her retro hoop shoe features a basket weave graphic that incorporates a quail plume and the Klamath Mountains. The night sky graphics are inspired by her stargazing with her mother, who donated one of her kidneys to Coley. As for the phrase Homas G or Homas Gi that's on the outsole, that's a reminder to just do it in Coley's Klamath language. Here's a picture of Coley, man. Here's her story. I love how Doernbecher always adds a story and a picture of the kid on the inside of the shoe, man. It just makes it a lot more meaningful. And it really pushes their individual story, not just by giving them a shoe, but showing exactly who it is every time you open a box. But let's get into these shoes, man. Let's get into these shoes. This is one of my favorite shoes out of the pack this year. I will put this one at third, honestly, behind the Air Jordan 1 Low and the Vomero, but this joint is hard, man. But let's get into it. Here we have the Nike Air Foamposite 1, man. This is Coley's Foamposite, and she did a really good job, man. She did a really good job. Now, this shoe is really giving me Galaxy Foamposite vibes. I know earlier when I read her story, it said that her mother did a lot of stargazing. So it's really giving Galaxy Foamposite vibes, man. You see the blue, you see the white with the stars speckling in along that print all around the upper. It's really giving Galaxy vibes. Definitely a brighter blue than the Galaxy, but same vibes, man. On the back of the shoe, it has the penny 1 cent logo in blue and yellow. And on the pull tab, it has basketballs. That's her favorite sport. Has basketball right here. That's her favorite sport. And on the tongue, it has the Coley with the Nike tag, man. So they gave her own custom Nike tag for this joint. And these joints are fire, man. The inside of the shoe has the same Coley Nike on there with basketballs all on the insole. You can kind of see it. You see the Coley Nike there. And all of those circles on the inside are basketballs. I don't want to rip out the insole on this joint. But these joints are clean, man. Going across that tongue, it's all yellow stripe. I mean, it has a blue stripe going down the tongue as well, but the majority of the tongue is yellow, as well as the sock liner. As you can see back here, this is yellow as well. Now, on the lace holes of the shoe, man, you can see the white and blue print. This is geared toward the basket weaving that they mentioned earlier in her story. And if you take this joint outside and get it some sun or put it under a UV light, that white turns yellow as well. So it's really a blue and yellow shoe depending on when you wear it, or it can be blue and white depending on when you wear it as well. Now, on the bottom of the insole of the left shoe, it does say just do it. All dark blue, also translucent, but you don't have to really worry about it yellowing that bad, at least as far as like the other clear bottoms that they usually put on Foamposites. So this one will have a lot of wearability, but definitely a clean shoe. On the bottom of the right shoe, it says Homas G or Homas Gi. Not sure how you pronounce that, but that means just do it in her language. So it has just do it on one and then Homas Gi on the other, which both just mean just do it. But I like the touch. I like how they added the cultural aspect to it. Now, the more I look at this shoe, man, I can't stop getting Galaxy Foamposite vibes, man. I'm not sure why the resale on these are not high. I know shoes just don't run off a resale, but with this shoe having the Galaxy vibes and a lot of details and being really clean, I thought the resale would be a lot higher. I'm on the men's side. That's why I went ahead and grabbed these, thinking I wouldn't have a chance or the resale would be extremely high on my men's size 12. But I'm definitely gonna either trade these joints or just get rid of these and go ahead and buy a size 12. I thought resale was gonna be crazy just judging off release date, but I'll have these joints sooner rather than later, but these joints are clean for sure. Now, like I mentioned earlier, man, this white part by the lace holes does turn yellow in the sun. I'll try to find a clip from Instagram or YouTube of somebody having them outside. It's dark out here now, so I can't really go outside and show you the yellow, and I don't have my UV flashlight, but that white does turn yellow, so it's really, like I said earlier, majority blue, yellow shoe. And it has really dope details with the stars looking like a galaxy print. And this shoe gives me galaxy vibes, man. If you don't remember the Galaxy Foamposite, that's one of the first hype shoes. It's not the first, but that's one of the first shoes that like made a shoe release go crazy. Other than like the Jordan 11s and things like that, that's just a regular Jordan holiday release, man. Those went crazy all the time. But as far as like shoes outside of Jordan, this Galaxy Foamposite, well, the Galaxy Foamposite was one of the shoes that made that happen, along with like the Pigeon Dunks and certain other shoes. But that Galaxy Foamposite is one that I remember personally. It was crazy, man. It was crazy. Now, these shoes did release for 250 bucks. That's 271 out the door in Texas. Some of the smaller sizes are going for 320. This is a size 5.5. I believe it's like 325, 330. The bigger sizes are like right at 300, man. So with the retail being already at 270 with tax, man, those joints sitting at 300 is not too terrible. If I find a pair just below 3 or right at 3, I may go ahead and grab it or try to swap these, since these are technically more valuable right now. But we'll see, man. But I need these in the collection. I used to have plenty of Foamposites, but my foot grew, man. So a lot of my Foamposites were size 11. And even my Oregon Foamposites that I have, they're size 11, but I can't really wear them anymore because they're like super tight. The only 3 Foamposites I kept were my Oregon foams, my pink foams, and my electro lime foams, or my electric green foams actually. The electric green was my first pair, the pink foam was my favorite regular pair, and Oregon is my team, so that's one of my favorite pair of shoes of all time actually. And like one of the only PEs that I even have. But with them being a size 11, I can't really wear them that much anymore. So those only 3 I kept. I sold like 8 other pair of Foamposites that were size 11, and I'm gonna rebuy some soon, man, the size 12, 12.5, but we'll see how that goes. But you guys leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know how you feel about Cody's Foamposite. I like them. I like them a lot, actually, man. Like I keep saying, they give me big time Galaxy vibes. Really dope details, man, and I love the Doernbecher collection. I have a couple of Doernbechers in my collection already. And I love how they let the kids just wild out, man, and do whatever they want to do to the shoe and just tell their story and just let them be kids. You can tell that there isn't a lot of restriction, because this isn't anything that we've seen, anything similar on these Doernbecher shoes that we see on regular Nike and Jordan releases. So that's what makes them very unique, man. Along with them raising money for the Doernbecher Hospital out in Portland, it's a win-win for everybody, bro. So y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Did you cop? Were you not checking for them at all? Or was it a straight skip, man? Y'all let me know down below. But overall, man, it just about wraps it up for this video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Doernbecher Foamposite from 2023. In my opinion, this might be better than the red and black Doernbecher Foamposite. I'm not sure. Definitely more detail in my opinion, but that black and red one is hard. I like red shoes more than I like blue shoes, so I'm not mad if you picked that red one. Maybe I'm on the hype train because this one is in my hand right now. But like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing, quick review of these joints, man. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Until next time, on the next video, we got Cody's Doernbecher Foamposite from 2023, man. Peace.